Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? Brandon Weaver here once again. Special demand letter. Yeah, we're right here. Yeah, that's hot. It's hot, Jerome. It's hot. Got it. Right here. All right? It's good stuff. Get tight. Get in here. Get tight, Jerome. Get tight. Get in here, brother. All right? Here we go. So, got an individual who wrote, "Hey, Brandon, I sent one letter out to the 3 bureaus demanding verification," right? Now, TransUnion removed my negative, nasty, erroneous items in one letter, but the other 2 didn't read the letter they put into their computer, their e-Oscar system, all right? Want to send the next round of letters. You can send the next round of letters with this special demand letter that talks about not simply using e-Oscar system, okay? So, Cushman versus TransUnion, Stephenson versus Experian, Richardson versus Equifax. Each and every time, okay? Each and every time, it was stated that the CRAs couldn't merely parrot information from the creditors and collection agencies, okay? That they had to conduct a reasonable, independent investigation to ensure that this was 100% verifiable, 100% verified, per the Fair Credit Reporting Act, okay? So, sending a generic form through this e-Oscar system does not even begin to constitute a reasonable investigation. Now it goes on, there's some information before it, and there's some information on this. It talks about, potentially $1,000 per violation. They start to see that language, they start to understand, your rights, you start to understand what the violations are. You can leverage these violations, these potential violations, and utilize them with your 609 dispute letters to get this negative, nasty, erroneous, derogatory, right? Unverifiable, inaccurate, obsolete information out of there, all right? 609creditrepair.com. We got these letters for you in the Beyond Committed package, or we can do the work for you at theawesomelifegroup.com. Please give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, try button, and until I see you in person, I will see you on the other side. Take care.